Alright, we got Joshy over there. He is raring to go. He wants to get over to the deer. And he is on his way. He is not waiting for Dad. He is on his way. Hey everybody, here we are at Nara, and we're going to go to Nara Park. Oh, look at that. Got my food. Gonna have a little bit of a little something here. Yeah, Joshy's got the giant box coming in here. We are going into Nara Park. We're going to eat here before we get into the main part, because that is where the deer are.
And they will take your food.
No doubt about it. So this isn't really quite the main park yet. We're just sort of sitting on the outskirts, and we're going to have... There's Joshy's giant box of food there. We're gonna see what that looks like when we open it up. Alright, let's see what you got there, buddy. Ho! That's what I'm talking about. That is some major food. And yes, he can handle it. Alright, before you start, let me grab in there and get some of that too. Alright, that's it. We're gonna have our lunch. We'll see you inside the park. Here we are, we've just come through that, and we are going down the path into Nara Park. I've already seen a couple of deer, and they are not shy. They will come up and get food if they think you got it. But it looks beautiful, and we're just on the outskirts, headed in. Very cool. Alright, we got Joshy over there. He is raring to go. He wants to get over to the deer. He is on his way. He is not waiting for Dad. He is on his way. Here goes Josh into deer country. Now luckily we don't have any food, so they're not chasing us like they are. All the little kids that have food, they chase them all over. But for us, it's just to walk through the deer lane. Oh yeah, if you got food, they're coming at you. Well, you don't get an opportunity like this too often. They're so accustomed to having people around, they're not really scared of us. They don't show any interest because we just don't have any food. But we are literally walking through a sea of deer right now, and they are all around us. This is major coolness. That is a cutie. Here we are, a little watering hole. This guy's laying down in the little river here. See, these guys are getting a drink all along this little enclosure here. You can do it, Josh. If you fall, I've got it on video. You know, when they say deer crossing, they are not kidding here at Nara. We're getting into a little bit more of the town, and yeah, the deer kind of rule this place, baby. That's very cool.